Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the dynamic shape to your logo in CapCut PC. So you can prepare your logo, just click import and select your logo to import. And I'm just going to add to the track this CapCut logo. So super simple, you're just going to go to animation. Select combo animation and here's the dynamic check. And I need two options, dynamic check 1 and dynamic check 2 can um, try this animation. Right, just for the duration. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.